Hi, my name is Marc Chapman, Portfolio Manager of the HI Principia European Equity Fund. So, reviewing the January period, essentially the fund's performance was driven by a few individual names which performed well over the month. So I would highlight Arubis in Germany, which is a copper smelter. It's the world leading copper smelter, and gradually it's improving its mix towards lower grade quality materials and will utilize its balance sheet to make acquisitions and grow the overall business over the next few years, as well as making specific investments inside the company which will improve operating efficiency. In terms of detractors from performance, it mainly came from index hedges. So the small cap index basket we use to hedge our long exposure caused a decline during the start of the year. Also, the options that we have in place for protection led to a negative contributor during January. In terms of overall positioning, we think that with the global synchronized expansion, European and US earnings are likely to continue to grow during 2018. The indicators from the company on meetings that we do are positive. In particular, demand across cyclical sectors is going well in Europe, and we think that the earnings forecast for 2018 is well underpinned by the economy. That said, we think that these expectations are now reasonably well understood in the market. So looking at the consensus expectations and the future forecast, we think that a lot of commentators already know that the European and global economy is performing well. And in fact, there's various bottlenecks in the global economy. There's signs of wage bargaining pressure in the US. There's bottlenecks in Germany in terms of skilled labor. And these things could mean that inflation starts rising gradually, which can mean a tightening in the bond market. So we think the US long bond yield, which is currently rising, will basically stop a continued appreciation of the European equity market for the time being. Later on in the year, we think that some of these pressures may abate. The oil price may fall and the economy may increase the slack. But at the moment, we adopt a relatively defensive stance, with the largest overweight being healthcare and underweight more cyclical sectors which have performed well over the past few quarters. Thank you.